castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. See me play on my drum, playing the drums is lots of fun with the See me play on my drum.
ओके नाउ अब हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं एक बार फिर ख ख ख ठीक है ख krasseten krasseten krassenen k and this is also k. The sound is letter is k and sound is k, but the action is totally different. K k k k k. This action you will use when you introduce this sound k, because both are k. They have different formation, different letters, but the sound is same. Understand? Now, eh, 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 eh. What is the action of eh? To crack the egg like this. If you want to crack the eggs, use like this. Eh. The letter is R and sound is R. And the action is R. R. Okay. D. D. The letter is D and the sound is D. D. And the action is beat the drum. D. 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 The letter is H and the sound is the action is the letter is M and the sound is and the action is yummy food. This is the second group of Jolly Phonics. You have to practice daily and learn quickly. These phonics will help to improve your reading skills and you will enjoy a lot Jolly Phonics. Thank you.